Welcome back. Australia takes home the ICC Cricket World Cup trophy 2015. Australia defeated New Zealand to claim the trophy for the fifth time. New Zealand lost captain Brendon McCullum to the fifth ball of the match and were bowled out for 183. Clarke, in his final one-day international, was given a standing ovation. The World Cup trophy was dedicated to the Australian batsman Hughe, who died after being struck on the neck by a ball in Sydney.
That's through. Nice shot. Oh, well, Australia. It's up in the air. Oh, he's got to get six. Oh, he's got another. Oh, he's gone through him. Oh, dear. Oh, that will be a decent comeback, though. And that's a great shot from Clarke. It might go all the way, no, one bounce. Well, wide. Oh, that could go all the way again. Yeah, that's going to race away from four. Oh, he's on his way. That's another boundary. Oh, a last moment of success maybe for New Zealand. His one-day career for Australia is finished. But Steve Smith, he's the man. He's the heir apparent. And on their feet, Steve Smith, that's another 50 to him. Smith heaves it away, that'll do it. Steve Smith fittingly hits the winning runs. And Australia are champions of the world. What a great win in front of a record crowd.
The man of the World Cup final is James Faulkner. The man of the tournament is Mitchell Starc.
We've played this World Cup with 16 players, and tonight's certainly dedicated to our little brother and our teammate Hughe.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.